Hi guys, I just want to tell you how AthleanX's training system has helped me becoming a better me. I love the fact that the whole system is backed up by science and and your body is being trained the way it's supposed to, and you're getting awesome results. Especially the TNT workouts have helped for me. I've gone with the triceps and the biceps, and as you can see, I've gained, I packed on some muscle, and before that I was a very skinny guy, but with the AthleanX training system, it helped me, and also gaining some fat loss, as you can see. So now I got the six pack. So the six pack promise definitely works. Try it, guys.